He stood in the prisoner's dock charged indictably, moments after ranks of the Special Organized Crime Unit charged him for fraudulently converting the state's property to his own use. Former Attorney General Anil Nandlall appeared before Magistrate Fabeazor. The charge is that Nandlall, while serving as Minister of Legal Affairs, fraudulently converted 14 Commonwealth law books valued at $2.3 million to his own use. He was granted self-bail by Magistrate Fabeazor and ordered to return to court on May 8. He was approached for a comment just after he exited the courtroom, flanked by PPP parliamentary colleagues. Mr. Nandlall, you've been charged with a criminal offence. What's your take on this, please?
Well, as I don't think anyone would be surprised by the turn of events. The Attorney General promised over a year ago that should I continue to publicly criticize him and expose his incompetence, that he will make this law book an issue and that I will be charged. So I am not surprised at all. I expected this. In fact, it came rather late.
The defense lawyer asked Magistrate Azor to note that the High Court has been called to determine ownership of the law reports. Nandlall has already secured a High Court order preventing the police from seizing the law reports on the grounds of deprivation of his property. But that order did not prevent lawmen from arresting the former AG.
Everybody knows who I am and that I can afford law books. My wristwatch is valued more than the law books, and so is my cell phone. But the point is, though, that I am humbled by the efforts that they have expended to humiliate, embarrass, and break my spirit. And the fact that they have charged me, they have catapulted me into a line of very illustrious politicians who have all been charged as part of the political struggle.
The prosecution had no objection to the former AG being released on bail, saying that Nandlall isn't a flight risk and that they are awaiting 2 more statements. Nandlall, even though criminally charged, maintains that the volumes do not belong to the state.
When I took this job, I took it at a loss of income, that I was earning much more. And part of the package which I negotiated was the payment of my subscription for the law books. The state cannot produce any document that they ever purchased law books. The state paid my phone bills, the state paid my light bills, and the state paid my subscription fees. The state can't claim my cell phone because they paid my phone bills. They can't claim my electrical appliances because they paid my light bills. Similarly, they can't claim the law books. They have no relationship with the supply of that law book.
Nandlall was well supported at the courthouse. Former Prime Minister Samuel Hines and Gawo official, the likes of Kamal Chand, also came out in support. Travis Chase, HGP Nightly News.